Welcome to the third episode of this series. So from the last episode, the last thing we did was like the monster engine. So to change that, I've created so in the player engine, the monster engine is gone, and you could ignore these. It just means I was testing. And created a new folder outside of it called monster engine. Inside here, we put the monster engine. But, oops, wrong program. When we were editing monster engine, I added here at the bottom self.hp equals self.maxhp plus 5 in the death function. What that's going to let us do is, well, I'll show you what it does when we write the test. So I created a file that's blank called class test. So we're going to open that up, and in here at imports, import random system OS and time. py imports. Now in here, we're actually going to use it this time. From player engine, which is referencing the file, the folder. Then we'll do dot player engine, same name, but that's because we named the file the same name. I'm gonna import all, and we're going to do the same for monster engine. So monster engine dot monster engine import all. And sorry for any background noises. I can't really change those. No, what we're gonna do? Okay. So let's say classes. So now we're gonna access these imports we just did. So we're gonna have a player. That player is gonna be off the character class. And we're gonna have a troll. That troll is gonna be off the troll class we made. So now let's make a little interactive demo of these using these classes. So let's call test. Now, sorry if I'm going a little fast here. This is my second time recording this video because the time limit thing happened. I really need a new recorder, but I'm not gonna buy anything. So, with the test part, we're gonna do print battle sim, and action is going to be raw input, and you should know what this stuff is. It's simple Python. I don't remember if I specified it or not, but I'm using Python 2. I don't know what the latest version is right now, but it should still work. And then we'll just have the prompt doing that. Now we're going to check if action is equal to byte. We're going to say print u attack for that. Okay. Now in here, now we're also going to access these that we defined for classes. So the first one is going to be troll.name. That'll call the name inside the troll class, and then the player.atk, and that's inside the character class. So if you're looking at the character class, you would notice there's no atk variable, and that's because I did that off screen. So on here we added self.atk equals 5. So we added that into the character, and now we have to have it say troll dot troll.hp, which is already defined, minus equals player.atk. So that'll subtract the player's attack away from the troll's health points. So then after that, we need to check if the troll died. So if troll.hp is less than or equal to 1, and the 1 will balance it out, because if we do 0, it will always go into negatives for some reason. The last time I used Python. But this is a good refresh for me. So then now we'll do, or we don't need to do anything, we just need to call troll.death. And like I was showing earlier, we added to the monster engine, we added the self.hp equals that, so that it will come back alive and have more HP. So now after troll.death, we can go here and do else print not a valid command. Oops. Valid command. So let's test this out. So we have a screen here that just says BattleSim. Let's try typing hi, not a valid command. And you see it ends there, because there's one thing we still have to add. After the BattleSim, we need to make sure it keeps running. So we're going to add while true, and true means forever in this case. We are going to put all this under there by tabbing it. And now we are going to run that again. So if you see, if I say hi again, it'll say not a valid command and give me the prompt to do something again. So if we say fight, you attack troll for 5 damage. I should add damage to there. Okay. So save that. Coming back to here, you attack troll for 5 damage. Fight. Aha. I was talking about this in the last video too. So in the troll.death, so that we can access the player and add XP to it, we need to say what the player class is. And of course we named it player up here. So we put player inside the troll.death function, save it, and run it. And now take fight, now it activated the death function. You attacked the troll for 5 damage. You killed the troll, and you gain 5 XP. Now let's fight it again. And you see it took longer to kill it this time. That's because we were adding the HP to it. So I think that's going to be it for this video. Hope you liked it, and please like and subscribe. If you want anything added to it, or you would like me to change using a different recorder, you can tell me what would be a good replacement for it, and being able to get the whole screen, because it'd be hard to use only just a game recorder recording one file. So, an idea for what I think was new in this video from what I was doing last time was just importing the engines, using the variables to define the classes, and then using them in a mini console command thing. Okay, so please like and subscribe. I hope you liked the video, and goodbye.